Chloe and I'm a digital marketer and online business owner. In today's video I'm going to talk about my free Facebook group, and that will help you grow your existing business or even start your business from scratch. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to talk about my free business opportunities and tools to grow Facebook group. And if you stay till the end, I'll give you access to a free workshop to be able to start your own business, taught by my tutor himself, Simon Coulsons from Internet Business School. So let's get started. So for a while I've been trailing Facebook groups to look for tools that can help me grow my business and wanted to support other business also. Which many people will know, there is a lot of promotion and advertising groups. Have you noticed how many scammers slip through the net and spams everyone's posts? I wanted to create something that people will get value from, and show people tips and tricks on little hacks I've discovered for growing a business online. I wanted to give away a lot of free value, such as your own lead trackers, social media content, and much more. I wanted all of this to be in one place and be a nice and clean community where everyone can share their businesses with each other and actually give each other support, which is something I value a lot. Have you ever had those people where they ask you to follow them and you're happy to give them support, of course, but when you do follow them back, they unfollow you? I mean, really? I hate that. I believe there's enough room for everyone to give each other support, and anyone can be successful if they put the work in. I just don't like selfishness in business. So yeah, I just wanted to shoot this quick video to tell you about my amazing group, and I wanted more people to know about it. I've dropped my link in the description, and feel free to join and look for the post where everyone shares their link. Even engage on each other's posts and boost everyone's post up the Facebook algorithm, because we all know what the Facebook algorithm's like lately. You may even find something you're interested in purchasing. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to keep updated with my weekly videos, and I will speak with you soon.